Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, two-story wooden house surrounded by lush greenery in an autumn setting. The architecture features large glass windows allowing ample light to illuminate the interior, showcasing an inviting, warm atmosphere. The facade is composed of rich wooden textures, harmonizing with the natural surroundings. In the foreground, a carefully landscaped garden includes a manicured lawn, smooth stones, and various plants. Soft, ambient lighting from the house creates a cozy feel, contrasting with the cool tones of early evening. A modern, elegant house with a striking combination of wood and stone, situated beside a serene pool surrounded by lush greenery. The architectural design features large glass panels that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces, revealing a tastefully furnished interior with minimalist decor. The pool area is enhanced with comfortable lounge chairs and vibrant tropical plants, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The scene is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, highlighting the rich textures of the materials used and the vivid green of the landscaping. A modern, minimalist two-story house set in a serene, snowy landscape. The architecture features large glass windows and sleek lines, highlighting a blend of wood and stone materials. The exterior contrasts stark white walls with dark stone accents. The scene is illuminated by warm interior lighting, suggesting a cozy atmosphere within, while the dim natural light of a twilight sky casts a soft glow. Surrounding the house are lightly dusted pine trees and patches of snow, enhancing the tranquil winter setting. A charming, luxurious cottage surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a thatched roof and wooden accents, showcasing architectural elegance. The structure has multiple gabled roofs and expansive glass doors that invite the outdoors in. The scene is set in a vibrant tropical garden with a rich variety of plants, including ferns and large leafy palms, creating a serene, tranquil atmosphere. The color palette consists of warm earthy tones, rich browns, soft greens, and hints of terracotta, harmonizing beautifully with the natural surroundings. Modern architectural masterpiece, hyper-realistic style, showcasing a contemporary house with a spacious open layout. Emphasize large glass windows reflecting warm, ambient lights from the interior. Surrounding the house, lush greenery and tropical plants enhance the serene atmosphere. Include a sleek pool with gentle ripples mirroring the sky, complemented by wooden deck furniture that creates a cozy vibe. The setting is dusk, capturing the blend of cool twilight blues and warm golden tones from the house's lighting. A modern, multi-level home with a combination of glass and wooden elements, surrounded by lush greenery and a serene outdoor setting. The architecture has clean lines, large windows that reflect the warm glow of interior lights, and embraces a harmonious connection with nature. The house is built around a tranquil swimming pool, with smooth stone pathways lined with diverse tropical plants and ornamental trees. The evening sky casts a soft blue hue, contrasting with the warm golden light spilling from the windows, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. A modern, single-story house with large glass windows and wooden accents, seamlessly blending with a lush garden. The exterior features a mix of dark gray and natural wood elements, creating a sleek yet warm atmosphere. Soft warm lights illuminate the interior spaces, visible through the large windows, highlighting a cozy living area with stylish furniture. Surrounding the house are well-manicured garden beds with green shrubs and decorative plants, complemented by a textured stone pathway leading to the entrance. A contemporary urban home surrounded by lush tropical greenery, designed in a modern aesthetic. The structure features large glass windows that reflect a warm golden light from the interiors, creating an inviting atmosphere. The house showcases a combination of natural wood and sleek stone elements, accentuated by a flat roofline and multiple balconies adorned with potted plants. The lush garden is dotted with tropical plants and ferns, enhancing the dwelling's harmony with nature. Modern architectural masterpiece nestled in a serene forest setting, showcasing a two-story house with sleek lines and large glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The facade features a combination of dark wood and stone accents, highlighting organic materials. The outdoor space is adorned with lush greenery, including tall ferns and ornamental plants, creating a harmonious blend with the environment. A contemporary patio with stylish furniture is positioned in front of the house, accompanied by a landscaped garden with smooth stones and a small water feature, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. Modern, contemporary house nestled in a serene, wooded setting, characterized by large glass windows and sleek lines, exuding a blend of sophistication and warmth. The structure features a combination of stone and wooden textures, illuminated by warm, inviting lighting that seeps through the expansive glass walls, creating a cozy ambience. The scene is set during twilight, with soft, diffused lighting in a misty atmosphere, surrounded by lush greenery and scattered boulders. The foreground showcases a well-maintained garden with vibrant foliage and decorative planters, while the background remains slightly blurred to emphasize the house's modern architecture. Modern architectural design of a large, two-story house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows and wooden accents. The house blends seamlessly into its natural environment, with a carefully landscaped garden showcasing various plants, rocks, and a serene pathway leading to the entrance. The scene is captured during a misty evening, with warm, inviting light spilling from the interior, contrasting with the cool, muted colors of dusk. The aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the intricate details of the structure and natural elements, while the foliage includes vibrant greens and subtle earth tones that enhance the tranquil atmosphere. Modern architectural masterpiece, showcasing a sleek single-story home with an open-plan design. The exterior features a combination of wood and glass, with large panoramic windows that invite natural light. In the foreground, a well-manicured lawn with vibrant green grass, punctuated by a series of white stepping stones leading to a relaxing patio area.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.